Hi guys, welcome to Into Wigs. My name is Cher and I run a blog called intowigs.com, and on that blog I teach women that are dealing with hair loss how to make, style and install their own wigs. You don't have to be a hairdresser because I'm not, but I believe that if I can do it, you can do it too. If you go on the blog and you subscribe to our newsletter, you'll get a free ebook where I show you all the tools and accessories you need to make your own wigs. Okay, so let's get started with this video. So I'm here today because there is something I've been wanting to have for a while now, and that is curtain bangs. I know curtain bangs are the trend for, I think, last year. It started last year and it's also in trendy this year, but I've been seeing it so low that I want it now. I want it now. I don't want to wait anymore. I want it right now, and I'm going to do it myself. So I am going to attempt to cut my own curtain bangs. Guys, please wish me luck because this is my own good wig. You know, the perfect everyday wig? That's this one. First thing I'm going to do, because I've installed the wig, it's va-va-voom. No, it's not va-va-voom because it's not styled yet, but the first thing I'm going to do before I am going to cut the bangs is I'm going to wet the front section of my hair because it's currently dry. So I'm going to wet it and I'll be back in a little bit. So I'm back and I just wet that front part of my hair. I'm gonna put the part that I don't need, I'm not gonna work on, I'm gonna put that away, so it's, yeah, it's just away. And this is the section we're going to work on. Okay, I am going to use special shears. Yeah, special shears, cutting shears for hair. So I'm not gonna do it with regular shears, but just to show you, this is what is in this packaging. So there's a comb here which I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use these shears, I think. And if I'm not gonna use the shears, I also have a razor. How's this thing called? Razor? I have this. Okay, so let's get started.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find,
I hope you can see what I'm doing.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me?
Oh, it's already going in an angled motion. Do you see that? I don't know if you can see it, but
Find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning.
quite the same length, right? Okay, I cut it. It's good. So I'm gonna spray my hair, I'm gonna blow dry it, and I'll be back. And there you have it, guys. This is it. These are my bangs and I love them. I'm acting up, I know, but I really love the bangs. Do you see them? They're cute. I did a good job. I get a good and simple job. Don't think too much about it. Don't think too much about it. Listen, this was my good my good hair. I'm gonna talk about hair over here, okay? This was my good hair, my everyday hair, you know. So there was a big chance that I was going to ruin it, but I didn't, because I didn't overdo it. So just cut a small section of the hair, and I have my bangs, my curtain bangs. You see how much body and movement? I'm in love. Can you tell? I will link the video below that helped me to cut my own curtain bangs. But I love my curtain bangs. I still have to figure out ways to style it, but I think I did a pretty good job, right? What do you think? Please give it a thumbs up if you think I did a pretty good job. I would like to know, or just leave a comment in the comment section below, and maybe you can give me some tips on how to style it. But I do have a video on how I have styled my hair. I will also link it somewhere so you can go and check out how I've styled it. I've used a tool that I discovered recently and I love it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Please leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. And oh, I have a free ebook which you can get. I'm gonna link it below in the information box, where I show you all the tools and equipment you need to make your own wigs. It's free. Don't forget to read my blog and also comment there. Let me know that you came from here to say hello. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.